little massage. Yeah, it's a slower pace.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
For sure, yeah.
Much slower pace. Time seems to go a little bit slower.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Everything's, you know, old school over there.
Yeah, it's just kind of nice. People appreciate the little things.
Yeah, everybody grows their own food.
Everybody grows their own food. It's
Yeah.
nice and healthy. People aren't interested in the latest phones.
Yeah.
It just doesn't matter. People are either talking about family, food, or politics.
Yeah, pretty much.
Right?
Yeah.
It's kind of what's going on. Families stick together,
Definitely.
right?
A lot of them like live together, you know,
Yeah,
like
they live together.
a lot of them have apartment buildings like next to each other. You
That's
know?
right. Yeah,
Like,
generations of
same,
families.
Yeah.
Generations of families together, taking care of each other.
Yeah.
You know, it's the way it is, man. It's biblical.
Yeah, definitely.
Parents are honored. The old people are honored.
Yep.
You want to loosen up that lower SI joint a little bit. So I want you to just raise your leg a little bit, just right there. And bring it right back down. Bring it right back down. Just relax it. So I'm going to do just a gentle tap inside here, just to kind of loosen it up. Okay, I'm going to go right at the bottom of the pelvis inside here. It's going to feel a little weird. Okay. I just want you to raise your leg now. Very good. Good. Just relax. Good. That's it. I'm going to go on the other side as well. Right there. Go easy. Good. Okay, just going to go right in the bottom of the pelvis. Just like that, nice and easy. Let's raise that leg again, go a little higher. Good. Nice. Good, come back down. And just relax. Again. Just relax your legs, just drop it down to the side. You want to stretch out your lower back a little bit. Good. Good, just like that. Okay, I want to go to the other side as well. Easy. Good. Come right back down here. Let your legs drop. And just relax inside here. Just going to drop on this. Into the again. Good. And relax. Nice and easy. Just breathe it for me really deep, Andrew. Breathe all the way out. Relax. Good. Right in here. Good. Could you come on your side, lay your side, face my window, please? Okay. Out here. Okay. Just gonna turn you a bit. That's cool, that's cool. Just gonna bend this leg a bit. Just like that. Alright? Just let your hip just fall. Kind of let it fall forward. Try to adjust this joint a little bit more. That's it. Cool. On the other side, please. Same thing here. Just gonna turn you a bit. Hands right there. Just going to bend that. Let's adjust that joint, that SI joint. Just a little different this time. It's going to come right from here and push there. That's it. That's it. Come on your back, face up, please. That was it. So sometimes it gets a little stuck, frozen. So that's all I was doing was moving. A little bit more. Good. Just squeeze together hard. Separate. Good. And bring this down. Just relax here. Nice. How's the food over there?
It's great.
Is it really?
Yeah, it was good.
Nice. So was that southern Italy, northern Italy?
So we were like in the middle, and then we went all the way south.
Oh yeah?
Went to Sicily for like a day.
Sicily?
Yeah.
A lot of travel. Yeah. You have relatives down there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Naples, Sicily. I mean, not Naples or Calabria.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Nice. You speak Italian? A little bit? Like my Spanish? Okay. Good. Come on here. But I'm sure they probably have a lot of dialects out there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that's what makes it tough.
Yeah, it's not just Italian.
Exactly.
Nice. Good. And just relax this leg. Do a circle here. Nice. And stretch out inside here. You go by the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the water's beautiful.
Is it? Yeah.
It's the further south you go,
Mm-hmm.
the more clear.
And relax. Come on, let's see if I can stretch, man. You can't be that tight. Oh, you are that tight.
Yeah, this is
Yep. So you gotta focus on stretching out that hamstring a little bit. Mm-hmm. Back here. Just gonna let that off the table. Good. Come back up. Just relax it. Just gonna open up this hip a little bit. A little more. Good. Okay. Just go to stretch out your lat a little bit, just a little bit. Just open up and stretch out the muscle just a bit. Good. Good. Again. Good. Come right back down. So we'll put the left side, I mean this right side now. Same thing, just kind of let it drop, nice and easy. Stretch out that lat. Good. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, bring it right back down here. Okay. If you could slide it towards me just a little bit, I appreciate it. Right about there is cool. Nice. Did you make it out to Rome?
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we flew in there.
How's Rome?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Very busy.
I bet. Big city or?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Coliseum?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
That was like the busiest place.
Mm-hmm. Relax a little bit. No, just let it go. Just let it go. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna push right inside here. Just a little bit if you don't mind. And right here. Good. Maybe one more here. Take it down. Let's just relax easy. A little more so push right there. Good. Let that go. Right there. How we doing? Okay?
Good.
Good. Did you see any flashing lights? Bells and whistles?
Nah, we're good.
Good. Breathing for me, deep. Let it go all the way out. Mm-hmm. Good. All right. Leave your hand up. We'll sit up. 1, 2, and 3. Right, bring your legs on that side. Just gonna recheck you, see how we're doing. Inside here. Awesome. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. Stand up, walk around.